Hello everyone, this is Swati. I have seen her on a Ghat. Hello Swati.
Hi.
What is the full name?
Hi, hello, namaste. मेरा नाम स्वाति है. I am Swati. I am from South India. I studied a degree in BSc Computer. When my baby born, I have been paralyzed. Right side.
Okay. So for how long you are in Varanasi?
3 years.
3 years. And you have been just begging. You have no job. So you are having a degree in computers. Are you looking for a job?
Okay.
Okay. You want job in Varanasi. You could do that?
Do that.
Okay. She is Swati. She is living on a Ghat. I request all of you to find a job she desired. She is bachelor's in computer sciences, and it will be grateful for all of you if we can find a job for her. Okay, Swati. Thank you.
Help for Swati. Bolo.
Help Swati to your level. Swati really deserves a better life. A person who is graduate in computer sciences really needs something better than this. She is begging on a Ghat. That is not what she deserves. Swati will be surely doing something for you if you can find. Best of luck, Swati.
Thank you.
Thank you. You want to say anything else?
No, I want some help for you.
From
All members.
Okay. You want help from us? Okay, we will do that, Swati. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.